The shipping canals. Important shipping canal of the world are Suez Canal and Panama Canal. These two canals are the vital and man-made navigational canal or the waterway which serve as the gateway of the commerce for both the eastern and western countries of the world. The Suez Canal, which is located here, which connect the Red Sea with the Mediterranean Sea and have opened a space for the Atlantic Ocean with the Indian Ocean, and this canal has reduced the distance between these West European countries with the countries of South Asia. You see here, this is Suez Canal. This canal have been constructed in 1869 in Egypt between Port Said here in the north and Port Suez in the south, which link Mediterranean Sea, where Port Said is the important seaport, and Red Sea, where Port Suez is an important seaport. It gives Europe a new gateway, this country a new gateway to the Indian Ocean and reduce a direct sea route distance between Liverpool in Europe and Colombo in Sri Lanka, as compared to this sea route where before to the construction of Suez Canal, most of the ship used this Cape of the Good Hope route, which was comparatively larger and longer sea route. It is the sea level canal without locks. Here, this canal is without lock, which is about from here to here, from Port Said to Port Suez, is 160 km long, 11 to 15 meter deep. About 100 ships can travel daily. Each ship takes 10 to 12 hours to cross this canal. The toll are so heavy that some find it cheaper to go by the longer Cape route whenever the consequent delay is not important. A railway follows the canal to Suez and from Ismailia here, which is located inside this in Egypt, there is a branch line of Cairo. A navigable freshwater canal from the Nile also joins Suez Canal in Ismailia to supply fresh water to Port Said and Port Suez. Next important canal is the Panama Canal, which connects the Pacific Ocean with the Atlantic Ocean. The Panama Canal, which connect the Atlantic Ocean in the east to the Pacific Ocean in the west, it has been constructed across the Panama Isthmus. This is a narrow landmass, and the two coasts are located here. Panama City over the Pacific coast and Colon over the Atlantic coast. And this canal have been constructed by the US for its economics and trade importance. The government of US, which purchased 8 km of area from both sides, like here, the both side of region, this is Panama Canal, Colon Port over the Atlantic coast and Panama Port over the Pacific coast. This canal in this region, this whole region, the canal development area is purchased by US. The 8 km area of both sides have been purchased, either side of canal, and the name of canal, the name of region which is both sides is called Canal Zone. The canal is around 72 km from Panama Port to the Colon Port. Involve a very deep cutting channel for a length of 12 km. It has 6 lock system and ship cross the different levels through these locks different before entering the Gulf of Panama. It shortens the distance between New York. It's here. See the map. This is New York and San Francisco. San Francisco, which is at the Pacific coast, and New York at the Atlantic coast. Before the construction of Panama Canal, people of the ship from New York used to encircle used to cover a long distance in the south of South America to reach here Los Angeles and San Francisco. Now the distance of San Francisco and New York has been reduced up to 13,000 km by sea. Likewise, the distance between Western European countries and the west coast of USA, the important seaport of San Francisco and Los Angeles and Mexico, as well as the Vancouver seaport of Canada, have been connected via this canal through the Western European ports, which are located here and the west coast of Europe, like Lisbon, London, Berlin, Oslo, Stockholm. The economic significance of this canal is relatively less than of Suez Canal. It is vital to the economies of Latin America as well. Right? Thank you.